everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another video. So I'm here with the lovely Laura. You've probably seen her a few times. Now we're going to be doing today this amazing like Milwaukee braid, massive pony, slick back sides. It's going to look edgy and she really suits these kind of styles, Laura does. So hope you like it. Let's get started. Okay guys, I am going to be separating the hair, so I'm going to take this section of hair here like that with my comb. And that's the bit that we're going to be braiding to start with. So I've just sectioned off this front section here. I'll just do a little spin so you can see what I've done there. Just go around to the back. We will in focus, Ebbs.
We are.
And then you can just see just that straight line across, okay? I'm just going to clip this hair out the way. So we're going to braid this top section here, guys, okay? Any braid you want to do. Pull through, fishtail, Dutch fishtail, French, Dutch. I think I'm going to go for French. But like I said, whatever you fancy, really. So I'm just taking my sections of hair, guys. Now, what I want to try and do is make sure that I'm taking these sections quite horizontally like that, okay? So taking that slice of hair, because it'll look really pretty from the side then. These slices going that way rather than this way. So just braiding the hair into a French braid. And then once you hit the end there, guys, I'm just going to braid a little bit further down, pop an elastic in, and we'll deal with this piece at the end. And then I'm just going to pop this braid out of the way. So what I want to do, guys, is get this comb and angle it up to the top there. So it's that section of hair. Do the same on the other side, and then we're going to put these into a ponytail. So I'm just using my Hedgehog smoothing brush. That is Hedgehog, but it kind of sounds like hedgehog. It's like a really nice brush just for getting that really nice, clean, smooth finish to the hair like that. So again, guys, just really. So I sort of use the tops of my fingers here and my thumb underneath the hair, can you see? And then you get that really nice tension as you're brushing that hair. Grabbing that other section that you brushed earlier, grabbing them both together right underneath this braid I want this ponytail to sit. And then we're going to pop this ponytail up with this braid. And then we're going to take this section of hair, so kind of split this in two now, and you can just go horizontally like that. You can get your comb, make sure it's nice and straight, and another ponytail is going to sit about there. So nice and tight here, guys. Laura's getting a facelift. We're going to pop that in. And then last ponytail. So Laura's got lots of babies here that are growing out, but because we're doing one right at the nape of the neck, I think we'll be able to get all these in. Again, guys, I don't know if I've said this in this video, I certainly have in others. This is my like secret weapon. It's sexy hair. It's called Play Dirty Wax Spray, and it's just, you mist it over the hair, and it's just going to help you really tame that hair down. So this is the bit that I like, this is the fun bit. I'm going to be putting so much backcomb into the tops of these ponytails, they're going to look amazing, okay? So even just with this little piece of hair, what I want you to do is I want you to start a tiny, tiny section like that, lift it up. We're going to be using either powder or spray, completely up to you. Getting my comb and really pushing down on that root, about 2 inches up. And I'm just going to be pinning these bits out my way. So you're just going to take a slice of hair, spray it right at that root, push down with the comb to create your volume, pin it out the way. So I'm just taking that down, guys. Now what I want you to do before you move on to the next ponytail is you're going to be brushing out the sides and the top. Don't obviously brush out all the way through because you need that back comb to stay in. So it takes a couple of minutes to do this, but it's worth it because what you're left with is this really nice poof of hair, but no horrible back comb that you can see. And now you guessed it, we're going to be doing another one. I think on this pony, guys, I'm going to start from underneath and work my way up that way. And then I'm just going to release this last ponytail down. We'll do the plait at the end, the braid bit. So this is your last pony that you're going to be backcombing here. Okay guys, we're on to the last bit. That just did take a while, I'm not going to lie, but it's so worth it. The ponytail looks amazing. Okay, so with your braid, optional, if you've done a Dutch braid, you can pull it out. Because I've done a French braid, I'm just going to pull a little bit on these sections on the side here. So just tease them out slightly, just to give just a little bit of definition and volume to the top. Okay, now I'm going to take out this elastic here and I'm going to pop an elastic there. I want it quite tight because I want this last little pony really coming away from the head, okay? So just take out your braid so far and then sort of pinch it like that. And then we're just going to pop in that last ponytail. And I'm going to be doing the same to this ponytail as the rest. Now Laura's got a few little baby hairs there where I did my braids, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick those babies up, use another little strand of hair, maybe a bit less than that actually, maybe about, whoops, that much, okay? I'm going to join those together and then I'm going to wrap this piece of hair around that elastic to really hide the elastic but also disguise those baby hairs. And then I'll just pop another elastic in just to hold that in place. And then last bit of backcomb, guys, so I'm just going to be backcombing the underneath, smoothing out the top. So that is our braid and ponytail finished. I think you'll see that because we did those 3 ponytails going down the back, it makes the ponytail, makes the hair look even longer, which I love. So I'm going to do a little spin for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment below what you think of this style and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!